guys, just want to bring you out to show you the garden. This is really just to show you that if you like tomatoes or any vegetable, you don't have to have a big garden space. If all you have is a flower pot, use it. Got all these little tomatoes I've been picking every day. There's a few chives there that came back from last year. Down here we have a big tomato that's a Cherokee purple. This plant I thought was dead. It took, as you can see here, it's healed itself back really well. A storm came through, and I've been pulling some good sized tomatoes off of it. There's one about ready to pick. There's still more blooms. And there's another one. And this, of course, is my favorite, the little sun sugar. You can see all the tiny tomatoes there. I have a new one this year. This is called a Sweet Milton. And just look at the clumps of tomatoes. So funny. I do catch rainwater in a couple of 5-gallon buckets. Otherwise, what I like to do is fill them with tap water from the hose and then let them sit overnight for that chlorine to dissipate out. I also like to use them once a week to pour fish emulsion in it, and then water from the buckets. Fish emulsion is very good for them. And then here's some more. They just keep growing. More blooms. I love to see that. And I've planted marigolds in each pot as well to help combat some of the pests. When I see these yellow leaves is when I know I haven't been using my fish emulsion, so I trim them all down and go ahead and refertilize with that. They get so heavy they're just laying over. This was about 4 inches tall a couple of weeks ago. I had cut, let me show you. Right here is a good example where you have the stem, and this was a branch coming off, and then another one grew right there in that corner. Right there. I can cut that off and put it in water and it'll root. That's what I had done over here, and it wasn't even as big as that one. And this will give me some later tomatoes, I'm hoping, as the season progresses. And then I have this one. It took a hit with the storm as well. But also looks like something has been on it over here. But this one's called a pineapple. And I'm getting lots of blooms. And I have a few tomatoes on the vine. It doesn't seem as hardy as the Cherokee purple. But I'm anxious to see how good they are. Anyway, I just wanted to encourage you to plant some vegetables outside. You don't have to do an entire garden. I happen to love tomatoes, and when I buy a pack of cherry tomatoes, they run around $7 at the store. So I am always happy when it's this season and I have all of my gorgeous cherry tomatoes.